Hey everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and today we have some coin mystery packs to do. Now, when I ordered these, I originally ordered one to do on this channel and then one to do with Rob Finds Treasure. That's this one right here. And I decided that what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open up one now, and I'll probably open up one in another video because, as you can see, looking at these, they're both pretty anorexic. There's not a lot of weight or thickness to them. And so I'm like, well, I'll just do a little bit bigger one so we have the challenge with Rob to go a little bit better. Now, if you notice, both of these are in the same packaging, but this one came from Nevada, and then this one right here actually came from Florida, even though they have the exact same looking packaging, this exact same type of label. So I was a little bit surprised by that, but that could be, you know, eBay's new system, I'm not sure. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to open up one of these, and then we will do a second video for the other one, so make sure you check it out. All right, guys, so let's get into it, but really quick before we do, if you're new to the channel, guys, we are on the push for 50,000 subscribers, and right now we are at 35.5 thousand. So let's keep going. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss my future notifications. Okay, so you guys know how we like to do it. We're gonna go ahead and put a little value tracker down in the corner of the screen in post-editing. Whoa, hold the phone just a second, guys. I just went over to eBay so I could do the value tracker for the post-editing part. I've already opened up the package, and I just want to say, I was talking about me paying $25 for this package, and I did. I totally forgot that they charged me $6 for shipping. So I ship a lot of packages. I'm sure a lot of you guys know, some of you may not, but I ship a lot of packages. This did not cost them $6 to ship, so they made a couple of bucks here as well, and that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. But my point is that when I'm in the video, I'm talking about $25 for the price of this package. It's actually $30.99 because the package was $24.99 plus $6 in shipping. So that's why the value tracker is going to look different than what I was saying in the video. But let's get to it. But for now, you know, I have no idea what we have here, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. This feels like it might be, nope, maybe a little bag. So it's inside of a bag. Okay, so that is it in there. And it says this grab bag contains approximately $50 worth of catalog value US coins. You're guaranteed to have at least one coin, which is silver, and the price, obviously, $24.99 from Carson Valley Currency and Coins in Carson City, Nevada. And it says I guess their pricing guide, so it says worth of catalog, and the asterisk down here says 2021 edition of the Red Book. So anyway, there we go. So let's see what we got. So it says we are guaranteed silver, which is better than the last one that I did with Rob, because there was no silver in that one, and that was slightly disappointing. But this feels like there's not much to it. I can't tell. I got some cardboard 2x2s for sure. So here we go. First one. Okay, we have a 1995 nickel at MS. He marked it as MS63. Yeah, I see these all the time when I'm coin roll hunting, and we're going to give that a value of a nickel. When I'm going through rolls of nickels in some of my nickel hunt videos, I don't even look at these. So these just get back into circulation, so I doubt that even came from a mint set, but I don't know for sure. Either way, no dice there. There's 5 cents. All right, here we go. Oh, I dropped it. Number 2, what do we got? This is, all right, so here we go. We have our silver, a 1955D silver dime. Now, 90% silver right now on the open market is going for around 25 times. Means this is around $2.50 if you were to buy 90% silver. That being said, it is actually uncirculated. He has it down here as MS63. It is an uncirculated coin. It's got a little bit of spotting on the back up here in the top between A and T and at the bottom of the torch. But it's a nice coin. It's, you know, we'll give this a value of $3. And there you go. All right, so next up, I hope that's not our only silver, though. It just feels like there's a bunch of 2x2s in here. Yeah, it's just a bunch of 2x2s. All right, here we go. Number 3, bam. All right, we have a 1936 Buffalo nickel in fine. Oh, wait. No, wait, AU or fine? Wait, did he put the F? I thought this was from a coin shop. Carson Valley Currency and Coins, Inc. All right, wait a second. Did he actually put the F there? Does the F is not a mint mark? No. What is going on here? And you can see the tip of the horn, so it's at least an extra fine. I don't know if it's AU though. There's a lot of wear on top of the bison there. Yeah, this is not an AU. This is an XF. You know, by glancing at it under the camera. Is this a coin shop? I don't understand. Okay. You know what? We're going to give this the value of about $1.50, but I will update this. I'm actually going to go ahead and check this via the gray sheet at XF and go from there. Now, he did say he's using the red book, so maybe I'll grab my red book and I'll check via the red book, just to be fair, because when I did make the purchase, it did say, you know, from the listing that it was red book pricing. So I'll be fair and I'll use red book pricing, but that's not an AU, that's an XF. Okay, number 4. We have a 1985S proof dime. This is not worth $3. This 50 cents. So I'm going to give a value of this at 50 cents. Again, he's using the red book. I get it, but let's be realistic, guys. That's a 50-cent coin. All right, so here we go. Bam. We have an 1898 Indian head cent. He marks these at $3. 1898, I don't think so. You can find these in bins at coin shops, at coin shows for $1.25. If you buy a bunch of them at the same time, you get them for $1 a piece. We're going to give this a value of $1.25, and we are going to be generous with that. So $1.25 here. Okay, next up, bam. Okay, we have a 2010 D. This is a James Buchanan, right? Yes, James Buchanan presidential dollar. These here, you know, maybe $1.50. He has it in MS65. I have seen MS65s in slabs that look way better than this, especially considering if you look, there's an actual ding on the rim. And I do apologize. I'm getting text messages. They can just wait. I don't agree with this being an MS65, especially with that rim ding right there, and a lot of chatter on the foreground, on the head. And so $1.50 is all I'm going to give that. And I honestly think I'm being generous. Next up, bam. Okay. Whoa, we have an 09 VDB. He calls it an AU, marks it at $20. Okay, that's actually not bad. Tell you what, give me just a second. I'm going to cut, I'm going to get a loop, and I'm going to grade this thing. Okay, so I went ahead and looked at this under a loop, guys. This is borderline AUXF. All the wheat lines are actually separated, but they are weak enough to where it looks like they're getting ready to combine, which puts it about an XF. There's also quite a bit of wear going on right here on his jacket, a little bit more than what you would see on an AU. That being said, it's so close to being an AU, I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt. We're going to call it an AU. While I was looking at it, I went ahead and pulled up the gray sheet. The gray sheet value is a 1909 BDB AU at 10, not 20. So again, he's using the red book. It is a VDB. So we're going to give this a value of $10, but red book pricing might be $20. It's very possible red book pricing is $20 on that. I will check. All right, here we go. Next up, we have a 1976. Does he call everything MS63? No, I guess he called this 65. MS63 seems to me to be a default grade for people that aren't really 100% on, being, they're not sure if it's an MS62 or an MS64. They're like, yeah, we'll just call it an MS63. MS63 is a really common grade. And I'm not questioning you guys' grading on this. I'm just, or his grading skills in general. I'm just saying it seems like in general, a lot of MS63s out there from people that just are like, yeah, it's a 63. That being said, there's a lot of chatter on this, but it is uncirculated. It's not a bad looking bicentennial, but it's a 76 bicentennial. I mean, these, go for $1.50, $2 all day. We're going to call it generously $1.50. All right, here we go. And I think this is the final one of this package. Bam. We have a proof. We have a proof cent here. Yep. I cannot believe he priced this at $3. So I will give that a value of $0.25, and let's go ahead and add it up and see what we have on our tracker. Okay, guys, so to be 100% fair with the seller, I went ahead and went over everything. I checked the grid book, I checked the gray sheet. I made a couple of small changes, but nothing major. So the biggest change I made is on the 09 VDB. I looked at this a little bit closer, and I do agree that it's really, really close to an AU. In fact, on a good day, I think you would get an AU grade on it if you send it off to be graded. The red book has AU at 20. He was right on that, but the gray sheet only has it at 10. I'm going to be very fair and value this at 15, which is right between Gray Sheet and Redbook, because I don't believe that VDBs aren't super rare. I'm sure you could get this at much less than $20 at a coin shop. You know, outside of that, I didn't really make a whole lot of other changes. I went ahead and valued this at $1.10 because, let's be honest, they're only worth $1.10. But with the changes that I made, what I actually ended up with for a value was $25.80. So it looks like I made about 80 cents on my value with the bag, but that's not too bad because it's also fantastic content for the channel. That being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Make sure you subscribe again so you don't miss this one when we do this one very soon. And other than that, you have a fantastic rest of your day. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.